Mapping services are an essential tool for businesses and individuals alike, providing valuable information about a specific location. In the case of Kotla Mubarakpur, a bustling neighborhood in Delhi, mapping services play a crucial role in helping people navigate through the area. Whether it's finding the nearest restaurant, locating a specific address, or identifying points of interest, mapping services provide accurate and up-to-date information that can make life easier for both residents and visitors. One company that specializes in mapping services in Kotla Mubarakpur is Scon Design. With their expertise in digital mapping and navigation systems, Scon Design offers a comprehensive solution for individuals and businesses looking to explore and understand the area. Their mapping services cover a wide range of features, including street names, landmarks, public transportation routes, and even real-time traffic updates. By utilizing these services, individuals can easily plan their routes, save time, and avoid unnecessary detours or congested areas. Scon Design understands the unique needs of businesses operating in Kotla Mubarakpur. With their mapping services, they offer tailored solutions that cater to the specific requirements of different industries. For example, restaurants can benefit from accurate mapping that showcases their location, making it easier for customers to find them. Similarly, retail stores can use mapping services to highlight their proximity to popular landmarks or transportation hubs, attracting more foot traffic. By leveraging Scon Design's mapping services, businesses can enhance their visibility and ultimately drive more customers through their doors. In addition to providing detailed maps and navigation systems, Scon Design also offers additional features that can further enhance the user experience. For instance, their mapping services can include information about nearby amenities such as ATMs, hospitals, or petrol stations. This is particularly useful for individuals who are new to Kotla Mubarakpur or are visiting the area for the first time. By having access to this valuable information, users can feel more confident about exploring the neighborhood and have peace of mind knowing that essential services are readily available. Another advantage of Scon Design's mapping services is their commitment to accuracy and reliability. The company uses advanced technology and constantly updates their databases to ensure that the information provided is as precise as possible. This dedication to quality allows users to have confidence in the mapping services and rely on them for accurate directions and location information. In conclusion, mapping services offered by Scon Design in Kotla Mubarakpur are an invaluable resource for both individuals and businesses. With Scon Design's commitment to accuracy and reliability, users can trust in the quality of their mapping services and have confidence in the information provided. Mapping services in Kotla Mubarakpur are in high demand due to the increasing need for accurate and detailed mapping data in the area. Kotla Mubarakpur, located in Delhi, is a bustling locality with various commercial and residential establishments. To cater to the growing needs of businesses and individuals in the area, mapping services have become essential. Scon Design, a well-known mapping service provider in Delhi,